Hi, this is Joe Kempe with the iPod Repair Clinic. Today we're going to be disassembling an iPod 4th generation. The 4th generation iPod came out approximately 2004. Came in a couple of different versions. They called it the iPod Photo, which is the color, and the iPod also came out in a U2 specialty version. All right, but today we're going to work on the standard iPod 4. As you see, it's active. It works perfectly. I think this is one of the best iPods ever made. It's very, very durable. And I'm going to go ahead and turn that off for you today. I want to show you the tools that I use. It's very simple. Straight screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. I use a T6, a Torque 6. I use a flat knife, like a paring knife, and a couple of spudgers. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do, again, as I always do, is work at the corner here. The corner is the best access point. What you want to do is use your flat screwdriver and gain access to the very corner. What you want to do is just open it up just a little bit, enough for you to use your paring knife, put it in there very slightly, and kind of like use that just to gain access to it. You're just using like just a small clockwise motion. And once you have that side all open, you can see there's no marring, no scarring, no scratching or anything like that. You can go ahead and open the entire iPod. Be very gentle because the cables are very gentle. Yeah, they're very brittle. The headphone jack over here is very, very brittle. So be careful. You have your hard drive, you have your battery. This particular battery has been changed. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and disconnect the battery, pull straight up, and then you can take the hard drive out. And it's just a simple cable. This is what they call an IDE cable and an IDE connector. So basically you're left with the battery, the chassis. I'm going to go ahead and pull off the headphone jack. Be very gentle, go kind of wiggle, wiggle, wiggle until it comes straight out. The next thing you're going to do is pull the battery out, but you have to gain access to that battery. This is my T6, and you have approximately 6 screws, and just lay them in the case so they don't fly all over the place. Now, you may want to do this to change your LCD. You may want to do this to gain access to the hard drive cable, because the hard drive cable in here sometimes has to be adjusted because it does get loose. It's not the best design, but I found that, you know, if the hard drive's giving you that sad face, it's typically caused by a loose hard drive cable. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is just pull out the click wheel, and we could pull off the LCD very gently. You don't want to pull too hard on it. So you're just left with basically the motherboard. This is the motherboard inside the unit. It's very, very nice. Nice design. Okay, so and then all you're left with is the battery and it's just glued on, small amount of adhesive, and then you have the LCD. LCD, be very careful. You just kind of ease it out of its slot over here. It has these little notches in them, and there you go. And that's what the LCD looks like. So all you're left basically is with the face. I'm not going to pull out the click wheel. It's not necessary really, but if you ever needed to change the click wheel, all you would do basically is run a little heat across the corners here and just punch it out, as long as nothing is connected. So I'm going to make believe that I'd already punched it out. I'm putting it back, and that's a new face. So and there you have it, fully disassembled iPod 4th generation click wheel. I'm going to go ahead and In a future video, I'll show you how to reassemble it. Thank you for watching.